Huh? Uh, Pokemon or the Union Arena. No handles. Okay. So I got the Ascending Heroes Mega Evolution.
I thought you were using your stuff.
This one? Or no? Yeah, I stopped that one because that one's heavy. Yeah, the fat camera because that was heavy and I had to keep lifting it up and down. I mean, look, it got a great zoom, but like this one's more convenient because it's small. Okay, so I got Swirlix, Vanillish. I keep getting Vanillish on the app.
Oh,
What? I got Tick Pig and Doraemon. Wait, why I say Doraemon? Demanitir? Doraemon, Demanitir. Weeping Bell. I like Bellsprout. This one has like a holographic design. I mean, I would get another one. So cute. It's like holographic. And then there's Bishop. This one's a fighter type. So cute. So my top three is gonna be Weeping Bell. Tepig. And Dermanitin. No, you got me three. You got me Gimme Ghoul. Was that?
There's one time we went to GameStop. Got a couple.
Oh yeah, I have a Blaziken and Comboken. I was like, oh, we should get tortured. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the the Union Arena Bleach 1000 Year Blood War.
Make sure they know that you're a big YouTuber.
Yes, Bleach. Where did this go? Oh my, it's a whole bunch. It's much more than Pokemon cards.
That's a deck. I gave you a whole deck with that.
Uryu. Okay, so I got Uryu. I got Kisuke Ura. This is Uryu. Yes.
What is that?
It's so much. So much.
You got the cards for it?
I got Kisuke Urahara. Who
That's
else?
a big level of flex.
Right.
You stop doing money You stop doing money spreads and start doing cards.
I got Ichigo Kurosaki. Like they just all got side profiles. I got Chad. I got Chad. I got Renji Abarai. Tasty bread with Unohana. Wait, not Unohana. Orihime. Look, she's been on my mind lately like crazy. Look, all this bread. All this bread.
I'm pretty sure I sent you an order game.
Yeah.
What?
Getsuga Tensho. That's an action. Was Bankai. Orihime Unoi. Unoi. What else? It's just side. It's just like just side profiles. Kusuke Urahara. So what did I mean when they said 2 rares, 2 super rares, and 1 action point. So this one's holographic. I have another one like this, but this is the only one that's holographic at the moment. Okay, I have another holographic card. I think there's a rare trigger. And then got Rukia. Shino and Runusuke. I don't know who those are. Ichigo's Ru. Ichigo's Ru.
That's what we should.
No, I'm not doing that. That's literally a high school boys' room. No. Substitute Soul Reaper of Kodakano Town.
Kodakano Red. That has got to be a card.
What?
Kodakano Red. Remember they each had their little.
Okay, so I'll have 2 action points. Is it 2 action points? That's it? That's my action point?
Minimalistic attack.
Like, this is my action point. Yeah, they're pretty. Ain't that so?